Most people believe their financial situation is based on income, effort, or luck. But beneath the surface, something far more powerful is at play: your money set point. Your brain has an internal financial thermostat that controls how much money you allow yourself to have. No matter what you do, this subconscious limit pulls you back to what feels normal. A money set point is the financial comfort zone set by your subconscious mind. It's formed by childhood experiences, social conditioning, and repeated financial patterns. This is why people often return to the same financial level despite earning more. Many lottery winners lose everything, while people who face financial setbacks often bounce back to their usual level. Your brain treats money like a thermostat. If your income suddenly rises beyond your comfort zone, you may unconsciously spend it or make poor decisions to bring yourself back down. If you lose money, you'll work hard to restore it. Most of this programming happens automatically. If you grew up hearing that money is scarce, you may still operate from that belief. If your family struggled financially, your subconscious may resist having more wealth. It's not just personal experiences. Society also influences money beliefs. Cultural programming defines what is considered too much or too little based on the environment you grew up in. Money isn't just numbers in a bank account. It's deeply tied to emotions. Many people feel guilt, fear, or anxiety when they start making more than their usual amount. If your money set point is too low, the signs are clear. You may struggle to keep money, feel uncomfortable with financial success, or sabotage opportunities that could bring more wealth. This is why high earners can still feel broke. If their set point doesn't rise along with their income, they unconsciously increase spending or make financial decisions that keep them at their familiar level. Staying at a familiar wealth level feels safe, even if it's holding you back. The brain resists change, even when it would lead to a better life. The good news is that your financial thermostat can be adjusted. Just like a habit, your brain can be trained to accept a higher level of financial success as normal. The first step is identifying your money story. What did you learn about money growing up? What patterns have repeated in your financial life? Next, challenge the limiting beliefs that hold you back. If you believe money is hard to earn, replace that with money flows when I create value. If you've heard that rich people are greedy, shift to wealth allows me to help others. The next step is to expand your financial comfort zone. Instead of making extreme changes, take small but intentional actions, saving, investing, or earning in new ways. Wealthy people don't just have money, they see themselves as wealth creators. To raise your set point, shift from "I need more money" to "I create wealth with ease." You must also normalize higher levels of wealth. Surround yourself with success-minded individuals, read books about financial growth, and study how wealthy people think. Your environment plays a huge role in shaping your money set point. Someone raised in financial struggle may feel guilty about success, while someone raised around wealth sees it as expected and normal. If you don't raise your set point, you'll unconsciously sabotage financial growth. Even when you make progress, you may find excuses, distractions, or fears pulling you back. Struggle should not feel normal. If holding onto money always feels difficult, it means your old set point is resisting the change. Self-sabotage happens when you exceed your comfort zone. More money can trigger guilt, doubt, or fear. Your brain will try to bring you back to your previous level. Breaking the cycle of resistance is key. Push through discomfort long enough, and your brain will eventually adjust to the new level of wealth. Wealthy people don't stop at one financial level. They continually raise their set point by expanding their goals and expectations. The secret to financial expansion is to accept, expect, and create more. Your brain will adjust to match your new beliefs and experiences. Increasing your exposure to wealth is a powerful first step. Study those who have built financial success and shift your idea of what's possible. Language matters too. Instead of saying, "I can't afford this," ask, "How can I create the money for this?" The way you speak reinforces your financial identity. Tracking your money growth is another important step. Watching your income, savings, and investments grow reinforces the belief that more is possible. To shift your financial reality, you must shift your identity. You are not someone who wants wealth. You are someone who creates wealth. Your money set point is not fixed. The key is to stretch beyond your current level gradually and consistently until wealth feels natural to you. If you found this valuable, like the video, share it with others on the same journey, and subscribe for more insights on mastering your financial mindset.